Are you still drawing residential CAD line by line? For layouts like 3 or 4 bedroom apartments, you can now let AI generate the basic outline first. Residential projects are defined by clear room divisions and relatively regular walls. That makes them one of the best scenarios for AI-powered CAD. Okay, let's walk through the process. Step 1. Open the scanned point cloud file in SHARE PointClouds Studio. Make sure the walls in the living room, bedrooms, kitchen, bathrooms, and balcony are all fully captured. Then crop out everything outside, beyond the windows, and any extra noise. Keep only the valid indoor space. This step is critical. The cleaner the point cloud, the sharper the CAD outline AI will generate later. Next, you must level the scan so the floor perfectly aligns with the XY plane. The accuracy of your drawing depends on this step. Do not skip it. Once the point cloud is prepped, you can use the automatic CAD function. But keep in mind, AI only produces a basic outline, not the final deliverable drawing. It saves us a ton of wall tracing time, but thorough manual proofreading is still a must. So what exactly do we proofread? After importing the DWG, start in the living room and check room by room. Wall thickness is the first common pitfall. AI may default to 1 thickness, but in reality, you could have 120, 180, 200 mm walls, so you must measure and correct them using the point cloud. The second key point is vertical dimensions, door and window openings, beam positions. You can use the cross-section tool to slice a profile, generate a CAD drawing, and refine it. Or you can measure the vertical dimensions directly in the point cloud. If you come across a curved balcony wall, never use the AI result as is. Right now, AI often mistakes arcs for straight walls. Redraw these with the arc command and add arc length or radius annotations. For fully finished apartments, be extra careful about cabinetry versus walls. Cabinets and kitchen units are sometimes misidentified as wall lines. Delete those interfering lines first, then restore any walls that were hidden. Once walls, doors, and windows are confirmed, add room names manually. Master bedroom, second bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. Mark them clearly. A residential drawing is not just lines. Spatial annotation matters just as much. Give the dimensions a final check. Residential plans usually need centerline dimensions, door and window sizes, and floor height. Round the numbers to project conventions. Don't leave messy decimals that confuse the construction team. Tidy up, unify linotypes, layers, and text. Add a title block, and you're ready to deliver the final DWG. To sum up, the core workflow is point cloud prep, AI outline, manual proofreading, dimensioning, and DWG delivery. For residential projects, the focus is never complex modeling. It's about quickly organizing walls, openings, rooms, and dimensions into a usable CAD dimension plan. The finished DWG can be uploaded to renovation design platforms like Coahome. You get a standard floor plan instantly. No need to model the apartment from scratch for layouts and renderings. That means, from on-site scan to dimension CAD, then to the design platform. SHARE 3D CAM Scanner helps residential projects move faster into design development and actual implementation.